Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. This is about using the interactive fill tool with a Docker. So we're just going to go ahead and start the interactive fill tool. But then I'm going to go to Windows, Dockers, and Properties. And it's already open. It's either going to be the fountain film or uniform film. I'm going to pick the fountain fill. What I do like about this, I like it and I don't like it. One, you can add color spots, but you can't just add color. You have to go down here, so you have to click on that one. And if we want to make that one a yellow, we could do that. Now, what I do like about it, you can dial in where it's at. So I'm going to dial in 50%. I'm going to add another one. I'm going to put it at 75%. Now, nothing's really changing on the board because I haven't added any more colors. And make this at 25%. And now I can actually go here and add colors. So we're going to get back to that window, and we're going to add a red in the middle and two yellows on the outside of the yellow, and or on the outside of the red. What I do like about the property docker in this fountain fill is that you can narrow down the red from very easily by moving this. I mean, if you're watching this part of the screen, you can make that band real small yellow by narrowing it down. Of course, we need to change that to take a red and put on the outside. And now you have two real narrow bands of yellow. And all you have to do to elongate them is, if you want more in the middle, you could bring those to the middle. So it's a little bit more control. I wish you could just drag colors into it, but you really can't. And, still you can change, how the things look, and you can really change it up a lot if there's a lot of colors going on. So you could still add colors to the screen just by double clicking, but it added it there, and then you could add a yellow, and then you could change this, put these two yellows right together. And still there's a lot more showing, everything's up here in your Docker or in your text, but you can, smooth out everything, make it elliptical, just like you would up here, but I think you just have more control right up here because you can change things more readily. And this is the big key right here is, expand these things out and back toward each other. And I've got two too close together. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.